Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Belgaum location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for area partner position from eReligo Technologies Private Limited. For this position, you must possess qualifications like BCA, BE, BSc, CS and MBA, MCA will be preferred, and freshers and up to 3 years of experienced candidates are eligible, and they are looking for the immediate joinees. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for business development executive position for e-learning company. For this position, the candidate must possess graduation, and freshers and experienced candidates both can apply, and you must have good communicational skills. And if you go through the job description, you need to do cold calling and fix appointments, giving product demos and getting sales conversion. And the interview mode will be like one video call interview, and the salary will be 7 lakhs per annum, and variables, incentives and travel allowances will be there. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for fresher candidates and experienced candidates from Farm Hive. They are looking for freshly passed out agricultural graduates like who have done their BSc agriculture or BTech in agriculture, and also the candidates with 1 to 2 years of experience in field service or information gathering or data collection will be preferred. And if you go through the job description, like this job assignment involves information gathering or data collection on field from various stakeholders like farmers, traders, processors and manufacturers, and this will involve physical traveling within territory, collection and monitoring of required data from traders, sellers, buyers, mandis, etc. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for business executive position for MNC Pharma. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please go through the website link that is given here. Next one, Sheraton Grand Chennai Resort and Spa having vacancies for the following job positions like Director of Sales and Marketing, Kitchen Stewarding Manager, Executive South Chef, Assistant Manager for Auditor and Compliance, and Assistant Manager for Sales like Reactive Sales, and Sales Executive, Front Office Executive, and Loss Prevention Executive. These are the job vacancies available. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for technical recruiters like you must have 6 months to 3 years of work experience, and one should be having their own laptop to work and open for permanent work from home, and you should be proficient in local language and English. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for full stack developer position like for mean stack and main stack, and it is from Career Expertos. For this position, you must possess 1 to 4 years of work experience in building and consuming a REST API, and you should be worked as full stack developer with Node.js, React or AngularJS, etc. And also you should be enthusiastic in writing scalable code, and you must have good knowledge of JavaScript, JSON and Git, and you should have sound knowledge of data structures, algorithms and system design. For this position, you are going to getting a salary up to 2 to 7 lakhs per annum, like hike vary if the candidate is excellent. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for field sales executives from Meesho. For this position, you must have 1 to 1.5 years of work experience. Like you must have minimum 6 months of experience in field sales with fintech industry or B2B industry, and more than 1 year of experienced candidates are most preferred. And you should have the age below 30 years, and only male applicants are eligible, and you must know the regional language, and English will be optional, and you must have bike with a valid driving license and smartphone. And for this position the salary will be 18,500, and 6,000 will be as the travel allowances, and performance based bonus will be there. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service manager position in the domain of agency health vertical, and it is from Skill Sketcher Consulting Private Limited. For this position, you must have graduation, and also you must have 1 year of work experience in insurance agency or bank or telecom or MR, and also you should have the age below 40 years, and the salary will be up to 6.5 lakhs per annum. Like it will be depends on your current CTC. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for senior wealth managers and wealth managers from Purnartha Investment Advisors Private Limited. For these positions, you must possess qualifications like graduation or post graduation with 2 to 10 years of sales experience in direct selling of financial products from any financial services industry, and also you should have equity or mutual fund sales experience, and you please check on rest of the qualifications and experience required. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please go through the website link that is given here. Next one, there is a job opening for sales manager position from Avinash Cargo Private Limited. Like it is a transportation industry. For this position, you must possess any graduation, and also you should have 2 to 5 years of work experience, and you should be worked in logistics business, and you must be known about sales in logistics, and you should be ready to travel. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for a leading life insurance company. They are looking for graduates like who have 2 to 6 years of sales experience in BFSI, or any other sales will be preferred, and you should have the age between 25 to 42 years, and you are going to getting a salary up to 2.5 to 4 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for faculty chef for multi cuisine, and it is from NFCI Hotel Management and Culinary Institute. For this position, you must have at least 2 years of work experience, and academic experienced candidates are preferred first. And you must have good communication skills, English speaking skills, and grooming skills, and also you should have good knowledge of all cuisine. For this position, the salary will be up to 20 to 23,000 per month. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for senior sales executive or manager position from TekPillar. For this position, the candidate must have any graduation, and also you should have more than 2 years of work experience in sales and marketing in any field, and also you should have strong communications and presentation skills, ability to coach and mentor others, and you should be goal oriented and meet the sales goals. For this position, the salary will be up to 3.2 lakhs per annum, and incentives will be there. And if you are eligible for this job role, you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for channel management partner position for variable agency channel, and it is for a reputed life insurance company. For this position, the candidate must have at least 3 years of work experience in insurance and field sales, and he should have the age below 40 years, and the salary will be up to 6.5 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Loanwide Fintech Private Limited having vacancies for the following positions like Relationship Manager, Senior Relationship Manager and Area Sales Manager. For these positions, like the candidate must have minimum 3 to 10 years of work experience in finance industry, and for the Area Sales Manager position, you should have at least 3 to 4 years of experience in managing large area sales team of a top tier bank or NBFC or fintechs in India. And also you must have strong DSA network in your local city. And for these positions, the salary will be up to 15 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Area Loss Prevention Officer position from Reliance Retail. For this position, the candidate must have graduation, and also you should have 3 to 12 years of work experience in loss prevention, FMCG or e-commerce industries, and the candidates from production and maintenance will not be considered. And for this position, the salary will be 2 to 6 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.